And what I did was I introduced the concept of giving them core memories which persist as well. So then, every time you spin up an agent, it doesn't just get dropped at the end of the job. It gets remembered in this nation forever, and then called back up when he has a relevant job again in the future. So this is like a long-term caching strategy where, yeah, maybe you won't need to do that job again for a while, but when you do, you've already got a guy in your system that's an expert and experienced because you've used him before. And then by employing them to do more tasks, they gain more experience. They all check each other's work. Anyway, this was the original plan for building that app. It's built, it works, but I wasn't able to like deliver it without exposing a bunch of stuff. I figured out how to do that now. But in the meantime, most of the features are actually being adopted by major platforms. Not because they've copied me, guys. I never tried to make that claim. But just because it was a good idea. So what I'm doing is I'm just pursuing it now with a different focus. So let me read this prompt out for you and it'll make sense. So I'm working to build Zero Vector 5, my latest cognition framework, which builds on the previous version, Zero Vector 4. I've attached the development plan which was used to build it. Building on this foundation, we will repurpose the Nation of Experts framework to simulate a single persona. Instead of a conductor and department heads, we aim to collapse the system, refocus down to a single brain using mixture of lobes, MOL based cognitive framework. Okay,